English mastery, achieve advanced English proficiency. Point number first, master advanced grammar, focus on advanced grammar concept, conditional sentence, all types, inversions, never have I seen such beauty, subjection mood, example, if I were you, I would you. Perhaps your verbs, their uses in daily conversation. Practice identifying and correcting subtitle grammar mistakes. Point number second, enhance your vocabulary. Learn academics and professional vocabulary. Study collocations, example, make a decision, take a chance. Focus on domain specific terms, business English, science, technology. Regularly revise and use new words in writing and speaking. Point number third, perfect your listening skill. Listen to TED talks, documentaries, and lecture in English. Focus on understanding accents, American, British, Australian, etc. Practice shadowing, repeat after the speaker, imitating their tone and rhythm. Fourth, develop writing proficiency. Write opinion based essay on trending topics. Practice advanced writing, reports, article research, summarize, or creative writing. Use advanced concept constructors, however, therefore consequently, and avoid repetition. Get feedback from native speakers or tools like Grammarly. Point number five, speak with precious prescience and fluency. Engage in public speaking activities, prepare and deliver speeches, practice storytelling to build narrative skills, work on essence reduction if needed, aim for clarity, not perfection. Use rhetor- rhetorical devices like metaphors, analogies, and quotes to sound polished. Point number six, master idiomatic expression and perhaps use items and proverbs naturally. The ball is in your court. Every cloud has a silver lining. Learn culture references and saying used in conversational English. Point number seven, read advanced materials. Read novels, classic literature, and opinion columns in newspaper. Focus on understanding tone, style, and advanced vocabulary. Summarize complex articles to test comprehension. Point number eight, participate in advanced discussion. Join online forums or debates to practice structure arguments. Discuss global issues like climate change, technology, or education. Use polite and formal expression for professional communication. Example, I agree to an extent, but I don't like to add. Point number nine, develop critical thinking in English. Analyze text for deeper meanings and themes. Practice writing critical reviews of books, movies, or speeches. Ask questions like what is the author's perspective or what are the implications of this idea. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Subclass Academy Mind, where learning English is fun and easy. See you in the next video. Keep learning and growing. Thank you.